Okay, Google, who listens to this conversation? It cuts right through, like butter. Okay, Google, play WiLLo Davis on Spotify. Okay, Google, pause. Okay, Google, why do you suck?
Well, I'm still learning. What do we need to fix?
No, I'm not gonna go just spewing off suggestions so you can send it to, like, Google customer support and they'd have me complaining to them. Stop.
Okay, thanks for the
No,
feedback.
I don't want to send. Hello, WiLLo Davis. How's it going? Would you like to go on a little adventure with me? But not a macro adventure. Jamie just got me an Apple Watch, unrelated to the video. Must be nice, right? Thank you, Jamie. I love you. Anyway, not a macro adventure, a micro adventure. I have this, a Google Home it's called, right? Or something like that. I got it for free from Spotify a while ago. Spotify was like, hey, do you want a free Google thing? Why would Google do that for free? Because you know why? Because Google understands the value of people's personal information these days. They're sending these things out for free, I guess, and they're just gonna, that way, you talk to it, you try to buy things from it, location, interests, and they probably sell your information for ads and stuff like that. So that's probably why it's free, because they're probably making a lot more money just by listening to the stuff you have to say to it over the course of however long you have it. And I don't like this thing in general. I also have an Echo Dot, that Amazon one. I don't have it plugged in now, but I do like that thing a little bit better. I mean, hey, it even plays Skyrim, right? But this guy, I don't like him. I don't like the person in here talking to me. I don't like the design. It's weird. So there's this big fabric canvasy thing on top, which is where it looks like a speaker, but it's hard. And there's those lights that you saw that come from it, and there's some kind of sensor too, like where it can turn up or down the volume, but no instructions really. I guess you have to go look it up or something. This thing's always just listening, trying to butt into conversations. I really don't like it. I've had it unplugged for a while. I was like, I don't want this thing just listening in. It's really annoying. I don't like it. I want to open it up and see what's inside for no particular reason. If I break it, then that's fine. I don't really want this thing. It was free. And so would you like to come with me and just open it up and see what we're dealing with? I had it plugged in. It comes with a micro USB. So hey, after all this, if it breaks, at least I've got another micro USB cable, because that'll be put to great use. It does have the switch here to turn off the microphone so it can't listen in, but it will frequently remind you that the microphone is turned off if you do that until you turn it back on. Really just don't like this thing in general. I don't know where to start. I have a little kit of screwdrivers. I'll move the camera down too. I have a little kit of these kind of techie screwdriver heads that I got to work on my MacBook Pro and change the hard drive out a while ago. And just some other things I might need. I don't know what. There's no screws. I'm probably gonna have to this is like a rubbery bottom, or maybe I'll have to cut open this fabric. No idea. They really don't want you getting into this thing, I guess, but we will see. And I cannot stress this enough. I am not a techie person that much, really. So don't be expecting me to be like, oh, well, here's the influxer right here. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to get in and see what they're up to. See who's listening in. Find the lady who speaks when you say, okay, Google, Okay, there's literally nowhere to start on this. So I'm going to see, maybe it's just clipped together like plastic clips. So I'm going to go ahead and try to wedge in between the two things here, see what happens. Okay, I kind of got in a little bit. Let's see if I can weasel around and anything will snap. Hopefully nothing living. So I'm just weaseling my way around here. This will no doubt void any possible warranty this thing could have had. So don't try it at home. Okay, already not a great start. I wedged a screwdriver in. I see a ribbon cable leading to the micro USB, like from there to the top. So that's telling me that I probably should not be trying to wedge this thing open in this area. But again, if it breaks, that is fine. So I think I want to try to get this thing off. Okay, I'm just just carving through it. It's just I don't know what it's doing, but maybe I could I don't know what I just hit there. Let's see if I can just cut a panel of it loose or something. Maybe I should get a hairdryer involved to loosen up any glue or something. Oh, hold on. There's definitely an air pocket here now. I think I'm onto something in the middle here. Yes. Hold on. We're going. Watch it be like I was just stabbing the battery this whole time or something. Okay, there's something here. Oh, we're good. We're loose. We are loose. Don't need this stuff anymore. Okay. Oh, there's the power button here. There was a little like dot here. I think it's like the reset button or something. Oh, and it looks like a sticky, like a two-sided sticker was holding all that on. So I'll peel this up. There we go. Getting my first look at some screws here that I did not see before. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a hex. It is a hex. Let me see if I have a 6-point thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think I have it. I think I got it. Got a, what is this? A T5. Let's go ahead and crack her open. Oh, hold on. This might be a little small. Hold on. I don't want to strip it. Let's try T6. Oh, that was a T9. I'm sorry. Y'all got a T6 or no? T6. Okay. Oh, perfect. It was a T6. Wow. Now I feel like an absolute idiot for just like wedging a pick in there, trying to pry it open. Okay, it's all coming loose now. Those screws all look the same, so nothing to worry about. Okay, and there is a ribbon cable attached. And all it is on the bottom is the micro USB and the microphone switch. So if I can unplug this ribbon cable, we'll be good from the bottom. That should just unplug, right? Yep. Oh, was that supposed to do? Oh, yeah, that's all good. Okay, I unplugged the ribbon cable. So this is the bottom. It's got a little chip with the micro USB and the microphone switch. And there are different screws, it looks like. They look like they're 6 still, but yeah, it's a bigger one. All right. 4 screws. Let me see what they are. All right, looks like they're a T9. Again, if you want actual information on how to open up one of these things for whatever stupid reasons that I don't know of, you better watch an actual tech person. By the way, I bet if you put some heat on that bottom rubber part, it probably would have loosened up the glue, and you probably could have gotten it off without actual damage and tearing it apart like I did. Now we know. Okay, let's see what we're dealing with here. Got the screws out. Looks like there's a cable here. It's kind of like stuck in here with some rubber or something. It's hard to see because it's all black. There's like some stuff melted on there, and then this part looks like a little plug. Let me see if I can get that out. Okay, that was that. A little plug at the end there, just to press down on it to loosen that up. So now we have the speaker in this main part here. I guess this is where all the business is kind of, but I'd like to, my God, take a look at what's in here, because there's definitely still something up here. The cable goes up. I guess this is where like the lights and the sensors are. Or maybe, is this whole thing just the speaker? Hold on. There's no screws visible holding this thing together. Maybe it's just needs a little wedge. Yeah, okay, so I tried prying, and it really doesn't want to go. I'm thinking maybe this is just the speaker, because it does have the thing here. It feels pretty light, and maybe all the business is in this top part. I don't know. We have an additional set of 4 screws. 3 that are like set in and 1 that's sticking out a little bit. I'm assuming this is holding everything together. I don't know. Let's find out what they are. I'm gonna try a T5. No, T6 it's gonna be. So maybe this is where the person who talks to me is gonna be. That OK Google person. These are longer screws than the ones that I took out of the bottom initially by a little bit, so gonna keep these separate. I'm thinking ahead, y'all. All right, this is like a metal plate here, which is interesting. Pop this off if I can. All right, came off. This, what is this? I guess these definitely, I probably shouldn't even be touching them. These look like contacts right here for some reason. Don't know why. There's that cable that went to the bottom part initially. And yeah, I don't know. It seemed to only be stuck on like these. I don't know if these have any purpose for like any type of transmitting anything, these little stuck on things, but I'm gonna take them off. And there should be LEDs above this too. Oh, I ripped it. Hope they weren't important. You know what? I said before something about a battery. Obviously this thing doesn't have a battery in it. You have to plug it in, as I'm realizing now, but I don't know where the power supply is, but I definitely do not want to go messing with that and end up dying. So I see LEDs, those guys right there. They go through these little clear plastic things to light up, the little circles on the front. Oh yeah, you can see the light coming through now. And this is being held on by that little spot there. I'm assuming there's wires going through there. Let me just start pulling and see what happens. Oh, came right off. That's probably not good. Those are probably important in some way. Oh yeah, they both were. There's 2 little contacts here. Oh boy. I guess this is just a shell. Oh, you know what they were? These were these little parts were probably sensors that are stuck on there. And then God, I would love, this is like definitely glued on hard, the cloth part of this. I don't think I'm getting that off. But we'll try. Oh no, it cuts. It cuts right through. Like butter. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is definitely just a plastic dome of sorts. I should really silence my watch. Yeah, so this is where the lights went through. I'm assuming these 2 parts were the sensors or whatever. I don't know if they're like motion sensors or what. I have no idea. Should I try to put it back together without the top on? Oh, and they stop you from making a horrible mistake. This one thing is offset slightly. So is that. Boom. I'm mildly concerned that I don't know which thing is the power supply, but I think we'll be all right. You know what? I also don't know what I'm talking about, and the power probably has something to do with the cord. I don't know. I have no idea. Don't do this. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay, with no screws on anything, I'm going to try to plug this back in. We got lights. We got lights on, the LEDs, they're trying. They are trying. Oh, I didn't plug I didn't plug in the speaker. Hold on. Okay, that's plugged in now. Okay, now we're all set. The speaker cable is kind of like it's not letting this sit straight down, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, Google. Play WiLLo Davis on Spotify.
Sure, playing WiLLo Davis on Spotify.
Okay. Let me see what happens if I take this up. Okay, Google. What does Google Home do?
I'm a voice-activated speaker powered by the Google Assistant.
Okay, Google, keep talking.
According to Wikipedia, Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes is a video game developed by Canadian studio
Oh,
Steel
God.
Crate Games and released
What are
in
you
October
doing? Stop!
2015.
Other way, other way, other way. Okay, Google, what's the longest word in the English language?
According to Wikipedia, full chemical name of Titan. Do you want a little more context?
Yes. Okay, I'm turning down the volume somehow by just hitting over here. Hey, Google, how are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay, Google, do you have Skyrim?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that question.
Oh, maybe it's just like a touch sensor? I don't know. You don't have Skyrim? All right, so I got it back together, and with that, I think, we're pretty much good to go here. I'll plug it in. Okay. Good as new. Okay, Google, how are you feeling?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. What can I help you with?
Oh, nothing. You're good. Please stop. Good as new, right? I mean, a little other than the stuff peeling off. We could do without that, right? We can take these off. And then it's a little dinky plastic thing, but hey, it still works. I did it, Mr. Spawnwave. Are you proud of me? It still works. Okay, but that doesn't answer my question of who's listening in and why. Why do you do this, Google? Okay, Google. Why do you listen? That's it.
Sometimes, I might incorrectly think you want my help when you don't. Like when you say something that sounds like, "Hey Google, if it happens again, say that wasn't for you and I'll delete it from your activity."
From my activity? What, are you keeping a record? Okay, Google. What do you do with my information?
Depending on your settings, I'll reference data in your Google account to get you what you need when you ask for help.
I don't
check your current settings, tap your data in the assistant.
I don't like that. Do you like how I'm interrogating the Google Home? Okay, Google. Who listens to this conversation? Google, you better start talking. Okay, Google. Who's listening in on this conversation?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Oh,
but
wow.
I'm still learning.
You're claiming ignorance, huh? Okay, Google. Do you have anything you want to say to me now? Okay, Google. What do you do with our conversations?
I'm designed to wait in standby mode.
Uh-huh. Forever? You better start talking. Okay, Google. What does Google do with our conversations? Okay, Google. What does Google do with our conversations?
Google is a one-stop shop for helping you find things. And that's why they made me. How can I help? Wow, I choked. Can you say something?
What?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that yet.
The fuck does that mean? Google. Okay, Google. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't permanently disable you right now. I said, okay, Google. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't permanently disable you right now.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help, but I'm trying to learn.
You're doing your best, huh? All right. Thanks, Google.
No, please, WiLLo. It's not my fault.